Very good evening, students. Hope you all are doing great. Wishing you all a very happy new year and a very successful new year. Right? Fine. So, with this new year, we are starting with the progressions part 3. Fine. Now, let's move on to the sums. We have already done the basics, so I'm sure all of you will be able to do the sums. All right? Yes. Now, the common difference of AP, right? It is 13, 8, minus 3, minus 2 is. All right, so let's try solving it. Yes. 1 second. It's great. Right. Now, how do you find out the common difference in AP? It is always second term minus first term, isn't it? So that is supposed to be the AP, right? So second term minus first term. So what is it? 8 minus 13, right? So it is minus 5. If you want, you can also check the third term minus second term. That is 3 minus 8. So 8 minus 3 is minus 5. So it should be option 4. All right, students? Yes. So hope you all are getting the same answer. Good. Now let's move on to the next sum. Right. So here we say the sum of first 50 even numbers is dash. Right. So the sum of first 50 even numbers. What is it? So 4 options are given: 1250, 2550, 1275, and 2275. Right. So for this we use sum to n terms formula. Okay. So what is sum to n terms formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. All right. So now what is n here? It is 50. What is a? Even numbers means 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on, isn't it? Right. So what should be A? A is 2. Right. Now what is the common difference? Second term minus first term. So D is also 2. Now with this, let us substitute in this sum. What is N? 50 by 2 into 2 into A is 2 plus what is N minus 1? 50 minus 1 is 49 into D is 2. Alright. So 50 by 2 is 25 into 2 2s are 4 plus 49 into 2. 2 9s are 18. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. Am I right? 9 2s are 18. Right. So 98 plus 2 is 100. So plus 2 is 102. So 25 into 102. Right. So what do you get? 25 into 102 is 2550. So your answer must be option 2. Alright, students. So hope you all are getting this answer. Let's just see the answer. Yes. Alright. So if you have any doubts, quickly note down the sum. Okay. Then you can always contact us through the WhatsApp. And you can also put it in the chat box. Alright. Now let's move on to the next sum. X, Y, Z are in AP. Then what is what is 2y? Okay, all right. It's a very pretty sum, right? So x, y, z are in AP. Then what is 2y? So here four options given: 2x plus 2z, z plus x, x minus z, x plus y plus z. All right, all right, right. What is 2y? Yes, so you can use, you know, using the common difference. I can just give you a clue. You can use the common difference formula. With that, you will be able to get the answers. All right, students, so just try. Meanwhile, we will also try to do it. Okay. Yes. All right. So here we have x, y, z. So they are in AP, right? Then what does it mean? T2 minus T1 should be equal to T3 minus T2. T2 minus T1 should be equal to T3 minus T2 because since x comma y comma z are in AP, right? So now what is T2? Y minus x is equal to z minus y. Now bring this to one place. Y minus x minus z plus y is equal to 0. So you have 2y minus x minus z. So 2y is equal to, when this minus x minus z goes to the other side, it becomes x plus z. Therefore, what is 2y? They are asking us to find out only 2y. So what is 2y? X plus z. Arthamainda, I hope all of you would have understood this. Right? So in AP, always a common difference. D is a common difference. What is common difference? Second term, T is term, second term minus first term. Here? Okay. So please put your answers in the chat box so that we will also know that you are participating and doing the sums. All right, let's move on to the next sum. A, comma B, comma C are in AP. Then what is A plus C? Okay. A, comma B, comma C are in AP. Then what is A plus C? Just quickly uh, try this same thing. Let's try T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. So B minus A is equal to C minus B. Now what is that we want? We want A plus C. No problem. Bring everything aside. Clear? So you have 2B is equal to, when this A minus C goes to that side, it becomes plus. So A plus C is nothing but 2B. So your option must be, the answer must be option 2. Hope you all are getting the answers. Let's check. Yes. All right. Now see, x minus 1, x plus 3, 3x minus 1 are in AP. Then what is x equal to? The same formula you can use. Not formula, the same strategy. T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. What is T? This is T. whereby T1 is x minus 1. They say it is in AP, so you don't have to check whether it is in AP or not. So when the question easily says that it is in AP, then it is in AP only. Okay, you don't have to check. What is T2? X plus 3 minus. What is T1? Minus of x minus 1. What is T3? 3x minus 1 minus of T2 is x plus 3. Just check. T2 is x plus 3 minus T1 is x minus 1 is equal to T3 is 3x minus 1 minus of T2 is x plus 3. Okay, x plus 3 minus x plus 1 is equal to 3x minus 1 minus x minus 3. Okay, right. So 1 plus x, 1 minus x. So 3 plus 1 is 4 is equal to 3x minus x is 2x minus 4. So when this 4 comes to this side, it becomes 4 plus 4, 8 is equal to 2x. So 2x is equal to 8, x is equal to 8 by 2 implies x is equal to 4. So your option must be, answer must be option 4. Alright students, let's see. Yes. So hope you all have done in the same way that we are doing, right? So with this, we are quickly moving on to the next question. If you are able to get the answer, put your answer in the chat box. Right. The arrangement of numbers in a definite order is called dash. Is it progression? Is it formula? Is it square? Or is it none? Okay. So it is progression. What do you mean by definite order? Here we are saying T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. So it is in proper order. Isn't it? Okay. Next question. If k plus 2, 4k minus 6 and 3k minus 2 are three consecutive terms of an AP, then what is the value of k? Alright. So again, we are taking this as T1. We are taking this as T2. We are taking this as T3. Right? So T2 minus, so since they say it is in AP, so T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Okay. So what is T2? 4k minus 6, this is T2, minus of T1 is this, is equal to what is T3? 3k minus 2, minus of T2 is 4k minus 6. Now just expand it. 4k minus 6 minus k minus 2 is equal to 3k minus 2 minus 4k plus 6. Now solve 4k minus 1k is 3k minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8 is equal to plus 3k minus 4k is minus k plus 2 minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4. Isn't it? Now bring everything to one side. 3k minus 8k, when this goes to the other side, it becomes plus k. When this moves to the, when it goes to the other side, it becomes minus 4. Okay. Yeah. So 3k minus 8 plus k minus 4 is equal to 0. So 3k plus k is 4k minus 8 minus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So minus 12 is equal to 0. 4k is equal to, when this minus 12 goes to the other side, it becomes plus 12. Right? So k is equal to 12 by 4, which implies k is 3. So your answer must be option 3. Let's see and check whether our answer is right. Yes. Alright students. So hope you all are getting the same answers. Let's move on to the next sum. The nth term of 4 plus 9 plus 14 plus and so on is dash. Okay. So they're asking you the nth term, right? So nth term of an AP. Actually, nth term, how do we actually find out, right? Yes. So your Tn is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Alright? Yes. So just quickly find out and tell me whether the answer is, I mean, we're able to do the nth term of this, right? So what is A here? 4, right? So what is D here? 9 minus 4. So what is 9 minus 4? It is 5. So as I said, nth term is A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is A here? 4 plus n minus 1 into your D is 5. So 4 plus 5n minus 5. So it is 5n minus 1. Minus 5 plus 4 is 5n minus 1. So your answer must be option 1. Right? So I'm sure all of you would have done by now. So you can put your answers in the chat box. So for the nth term, we must use this formula. A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Alright, with this let's move on to the next question. How many terms of AP? Minus 6, minus 11 by 2, minus 5 and so on are needed to obtain a sum minus 25. Okay, so let me repeat the question. How many terms of AP? Minus 6, minus 11 by 2, minus 5 and so on are needed to obtain a sum of minus 25. Alright, so is it option A 10 or 15, 15 or 18, 5 or 20, 4 or 12? Yes. So what you all are thinking and trying to do, if you're getting the answers, please put your answers in the chat box. Right. So to obtain a sum, so I'm getting a request, please do the sum. So this is sum of minus 25. So sum of minus 25 means Sn. What is Sn formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. So now they say that Sn is minus 25, which is given in the sum. So what is that we need? How many terms? Means n we don't know. What is a? A is minus 6 plus what is n minus 1? We don't know what is n minus 1. What is d? Second term minus first term. So d is equal to minus 11 by 2 minus of minus 6. So minus 11 by 2 plus 6. So minus 11 plus 3 times 6 3s are 18 by 2. Right? So 8 minus 1 is 7. Right? So 18 minus 8 minus correct by 2. Right? So it becomes 7 by 2. Minus 11 by 2 plus 6. Isn't it? So it becomes 12 minus 11 plus 12. So plus 12 minus 11 is half. Right? So into half is equal to minus 25. So n by 2 into 2 into minus 6 is minus 12 plus n minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 25. N by 2, let's take LCM common. 12 twos are 24 plus n minus 1 is equal to minus 25. So n by, let's take 4 outside. So you will get n minus 15 is equal to minus 25. Okay. Now, here. Right. So see here, n by n into n minus 15 is equal to minus 25 into 4. 4 goes to the other side. So n into n minus 15 is equal to 25 fours are. So 5 4 100. Okay. Now let's expand n into n square minus 15n. When this comes this side, it becomes plus 100 is equal to 0. So right. So when we factorize, what do we get? Right. So 12 twos are 24, isn't it? Right. So minus 24 minus 1 is minus 25. Right. So n minus 25, n minus 25. Right. So n square minus 25n. N square minus 25 plus 100. So 100, you can write this as n square minus 50 into 2. Right. 50, need 100. How can you write minus 25 as? When you factorize this, you get n is equal to get n minus 20, then n minus 5. Okay? Whereby you get n is equal to 20 or n is equal to 5. Right? Fine. So here you can write it as 20 into 5. That's why n minus 20, n minus 5. So your answer must be option 3. N is 5 or n is 20. Alright students. So hope you all would have got the answer much before me also. So put your answers in the chat box if you are able to get the answer. Right? So let's move on to the next sum. The first term of an AP is minus 1 and the common difference is minus 3. What is the 12th term? So this is yet another easy. First term is A, common difference is 3. So T12 is, what is T in formula? A plus N minus 1 into D. So what is A? Minus 1 plus N minus 1 is 11, 12 minus 1 is 11 into D. So minus 1 minus 33. So what is minus 1 minus 33? It is minus 34. So your answer must be minus 34. Alright, so hope you all have done this sum and put your answers in the chat box, students. Alright, let's move on to the next question. A7 of the series. Okay, what is your question? A7 of the series 1 comma minus half comma 1 by 4 and so on is dash. Right? Is it now A of the series? Right? So now first you should find out what is this because we've been doing AP. So whether it is AP or GP. So if you do, try to find out your R. Your R is the common difference here. What is R? T2 by T1, which is half by 1, which is, so let us find out whether it is GP. T3 by T1. So 1 by 4 into minus 2 by 1. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So it is minus half. So this is a GP. This series is GP. Okay, that is geometric progression. So now how do you do AN is equal to AR to the power N minus 1 because R is less than 1. So now what is A? 1 into R is minus 1 by 2 into to the power M minus 1. What is M? A7. So it is 7 minus 1, which is 1 into minus half into 6. Right? So it is 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 6. So 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32, 32 twos are 64. And it is even. Even means it will be plus. Odd only you will have minus. If it is even, then the powers will become only plus. Alright, students, so now where is our answer here? So your answer is option 1. Okay. So hope you all have got the answer. Let's move on to the next question. 10th term of the series. Okay. 10th term of the series. 1.3, 3.5, 5.7 plus and so on is dash. Okay. Yes. This is very simple. In fact, you all can definitely do it. 10th term. Just to verify the options. That's all you get the answers. Okay. So just give you 1 minute time to work it out and get the answers. Okay. Yes. It should be option 3. 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. Okay. Now common ratio. of the GP1, comma, minus half 1 by 4. Alright, so now we know if it is GP means T2 by T1. What is T2? Half by T1. So your answer must be half, which is option 4. Yes. Alright, now let's move on to the next one. The sum of the terms 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4 and so on till n is dash. What is it? This is also a very general question, students. So I'm sure you all must be familiar with this and give me the correct answer. 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4 and so on till n. What is the sum of the terms? N into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. See the next question. The 10th term of the series is, right? So the 10th term of the series is, so what is n? 10, right? So n2 t to n terms. Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is x, d is 4 by 3, t2 minus t1. Okay, 4x by 3 minus x. So 4x minus 3x by 3, which is x by 3. Okay. So Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. A is x plus n minus 1 is 10 minus 1, 9 into your d is x by 3. So 3 ones are 3 threes are. So it is x plus 3x, which is 4x. So your answer must be option 3, 4x. Okay. All right. Now let's move on to the next question. Then the term of the AP is 48, 75, 147. Right? Yes. Now, so they wanted the nth term of the AP. Now, let us take the A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus 3, right? Okay. So now what is A? A is 48 plus 3 into D is T2 minus T1. Okay. So root 48 plus 3 root 75 minus 3 root 48. So minus plus 1 becomes 3 minus 1 is 48. Okay. Right. Just what happens when you're going to solve it. Okay. Let's see here 75. 5 ones are 5 5s are 5 3s are you can write as 3 into root of 5 square into 3 minus 2 into root of okay. Then you can do this. That 2 4s are 3 8s are okay. So 2 2s are 2 1s are so 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 2s are 16. 16 into 3. So now 3 into 5 into 5 will become just 5 3 minus 2 into 16 will become 4 3. So 15 root 3 minus 8 root 3 which becomes 7 7 root 3. So what happens when you bring root? Now we have all answers only in root. So 7 if you bring inside you get 49 into 3. Okay. 9 3s are 27. 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. So you get the root of 147. Okay. So it should be root of 147, not 192. So you can check your, do the corrections. It is root of 147. Okay. Root of 147. Okay. See the next question. If the nth term of an AP is 2n plus 5, then what is the first term? Okay. So the nth term means an. An is equal to an is equal to 2n plus 5, right? So what is n? 2 n is equal to 1. A is equal to you just have to substitute here. Okay. So let's take a1 2 into 1 plus 5, which is 7. So a1 is first term. So therefore first term. They are asking first term. So first term is 7, which is option 1. Alright, students. So 2n plus 5. We are just taking n as 1. What happens? You get a1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 5, which is 7, which is nothing but the first term. Alright. Yes, hope you all are getting the answers. Put your answers in the chat box. See the next question. Which term of the AP 24, 21, 18 is the first negative? Right? So now here what is A? A is 24. Okay. Now what is D? 21 minus 24, which is minus 3. Right. So now which term of an AP is the first negative? Okay. So it says D is minus 3. Okay. So let's verify the options. A10. If you take A10, what is A10? A plus n minus 1 into D. Just try solving one by one. So A plus n minus 1 is, what is our A? A is here 24 plus n minus 1 is 9 into D is minus 3. So 24 minus 27, which is minus 3. Okay. So if you put any other things, it will not come. Therefore, your answer is option 1, A10. Alright, see the next question. The sum of the n terms of 1, 8, 27, 64 is dash. The sum of the n terms, what is it? It is option 3. Okay. What is it? It is option 3. Option 3 says n square into n plus 1 the whole square by 4. N square into n plus 1 by n plus 1 the whole square by 4. Alright, let's see the answer. Yes, it is. Which term of the AP 125, 120, 115 is the first negative? Right? So I think just now we did the sum. So it is just a substitute. 25th term, 26th term, 24th term, 27th term. So let's try just with 27. It is an is equal to a plus 2b. Right? So an, so 125, 120, 115. What is a? It is 125. What is d? 120 minus 125 is minus 5. So what is a 27? A plus 2 into minus 5. So 125 minus 10. You're not getting this, isn't it? So let us take this 26th. I think that you will be able to do 26th. So it would be a plus an is equal to, that is a 26. Let's try. A plus a plus a is equal to a plus md. So it is 26d. So 125 plus 26 into your d is minus 5. Right? So here you will be able to get the first negative. So 5, 6 are 30, 5 to 13, 11, 12, 13. Yes. So this is the starting range. So therefore your answer must be option 4. Okay. So your answer must be option 4. Okay. See the next question. Yes. So with this, your AP gets over, your progression sum gets over. So I request you all to quickly, go through all the sums, and any doubts you can always come back to us in our WhatsApp. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. Refer about our class to your friends, your relatives, your neighbors, your teachers, so that they can also join and get benefited by it. Thanks for watching, and over to you, Chandrika ma'am, for further announcements.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, thank you, students. సో మళ్ళీ రేపు వేరే సబ్జెక్ట్తో వేరే టాపిక్తో డిస్కస్ చేద్దాము, రివిజన్ చేద్దాము. అండ్ నిన్న ప్రాక్టీస్ పేపర్ లింక్ పెట్టాము గ్రూప్లో. సో ప్లీజ్ అందరూ రాయండి. ఇంకా ఎవరైనా రాయని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే మీరు అందరూ కూడా రాసేయండి ప్రాక్టీస్ టెస్ట్ లింక్. ఓకే, అండ్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ ఫార్వర్డ్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఓకే, అబౌట్ ది క్లాసెస్. అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ జటాధర ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ టెక్నాలజీ. డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు రైట్ ఎగ్జామ్. ఓకే, టెస్ట్ రాస్తేనే మీకు అలవాటు అవుతుంది. సో ప్లీజ్ రాయని వాళ్ళు ఇంకెవరన్నా ఉంటే ప్రాక్టీస్ టెస్ట్ లింక్ క్లిక్ చేసి లింక్ ఓపెన్ చేసి టెస్ట్ రాయండి. ఓకే, బాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. అగైన్ విల్ మీట్ టుమారో.